Hey guys, it's Paul. I am going to show you the one reason I pay for Canva and the time saver, but the thing that upgrades my thumbnails a bit more than me just banging something basic out. I am not artistic in any way, but if you see some of my thumbnails, you can resize it for Instagram. One I put out yesterday with a donkey and my dog, same as my dog here. And here and here. All these little things that I'm adding to my thumbnails is removing the background. And it is the easiest thing to do when you pay. So, Canva pricing, let's talk pricing quickly. There is a free version, and I have used the free version and loved it for years. But I now am on the Pro version, and there's lots of benefits for being on the Pro, right? Everything free, of course. 100 million premium stock photos, 610,000 premium and free templates. Easily save and apply your brand's colours, so you can put your own colours in there. Remove image backgrounds instantly. Resize, so you can basically do a YouTube thumbnail and then resize it to an Instagram post or resize it to a Facebook post. Cloud storage and schedule social media, and you can collaborate with 5 people, right? It's 11 quid a month, or what I pay. It's 11 quid a month, or what I pay is 99 or 100 quid a year. So, what I do when this is the thing that so I will go YouTube thumbnail. I don't know why it's not one of the top options. Maybe not many people use it for YouTube thumbnails. And I might, usually I'll take a picture of something, right? So let's have a look at my uploads. So maybe it'd be something like this picture. What I would do is grab the picture, and maybe I want to put my dog in there. I actually made this arm bigger in the thumbnail for this. I want to put my dog in, but you see, my dog has got background, right? So there is 2 ways of doing it: the free version way and the paid version way. So let's do this, the free version way. Let me download this, right? Download. What you can do is, it's also a Canva company website. If you're on the free version, you can go to remove.bg, upload your image, right? So let's go to that download. They added today, right? So here's a picture of my dog. And it's removed the background, right? And I can preview and download. I don't know if, this is the difference this way. For the HD version, you have to pay. So you sign up and pay, and you've got to pay, right? But the lower res version, which is not massively low res, megapixels, you can just download it, right? So now I have that image, and in theory I can throw that image back to my Canva and put it in, right? Now, for a lot of people that will be okay, but this isn't a high res version of that image, and you can see that you've had to go to another website to do it and throw it on there, right? Not the end of the world, a little bit of time, but for me, in Canva, all I have to do in Canva is go here, remove background. And this is a Pro version. It won't be on I apply that, and my background all of a sudden is removed, and I have my dog. I don't know where I'm going to put it on this picture. I can like this donkey. Same thing. I would have to go to the other side. And you're saying it's not that much work, Paul. But for me, I'm lazy. I want things to do things fast. And, I'm going to flip that, I'm going to effects, and I'm going to background remove. And that, to me, there's other features that save time. But that, to me, is an absolute reason to pay 11 quid a month for Canva. To just be able to jump in. What else? What is things like this. I might just want to do that. I go here, I go background remove. If I'm doing a quick golf picture or something, and I've just took a picture of a sign, I know in Canva I can quickly click it. It's in there. It's saving me time, and that is why I will continue to pay for Canva. There's other things that, you know, the elements, you might go go elements here. I might do donkey. Oh, in fact, it would be photos, wouldn't it? Donkey. I've got all these. If I wanted to look for a donkey instead, I can just pick out these stock images. I think that's Pro, isn't it? Yeah, it's a Pro feature. If I wanted to go photos of donkeys, I might want to grab this, but again, I want a background, remove it. And off that goes. Go on, get rid of the donkey background. There's the background gone again, right? So I'm getting all these features that, for me, being non-artistic, you can, you see how that little bit there's still there. You can click erase. So if it doesn't quite pick up, you don't need this stuff. You don't need this. Ooh, you can make the thing smaller to get a bit of a tighter angle to get rid of that. I don't know if that. In fact, I don't know if that is. Make the brush size smaller. It really probably should have been all of this. Take your time with it, but there. So you've done, and now you've got your another donkey. I did not think I was going to do donkey videos today. Apply it, flip it if you want it to be this way. Obviously, whatever, all these features. I just think it is a it's an easy thing to do when you pay. Maybe I want to put it up there. Maybe I want to go back to effects, do the old duotone, make this donkey, go to the settings, make this donkey. Oh, let me just cancel that. I'm going to copy and paste that. And I'm going to go back to the back one, duotone it, make it like an angry donkey in the back, make it red, make it bigger. Oh, what have I done? You know, get me there. Adjust it. I might blur that one out. And then go back to this one. Put that in front. And now I've got the donkey. Is got like a background to it. Looking at an angry donkey. Just really easy ways to make your thumbnails pop more if you're like me and just not anywhere near creative enough, or you don't have the time, right? I don't want to spend hours and hours on my thumbnails. I want to bang it. I want to do that background remove, keep the high resolution photo if that's what I'm using, and use that. So for me, I'm going to stick with. I don't use all the features that I could, but I've got some other stuff coming down the pipe that I might need. That one feature alone for me makes Canva Pro worth paying for. Maybe for you, like I said, you can go to remove.bg and do it there, and there's other ways of doing it, but for you, you may not agree. But for me, that is why I pay for Canva Pro. Any questions? Maybe I'll do a free training course on my website if people want it, on how to use Canva, how to use special features. I'll probably share some of their lessons more than mine. But if you want a free training course, maybe I'll do an introduction to Canva and do a certification course on my website, so that if you want to apply for a new job or your boss says you need to learn Canva, I can give you a certificate, say you've done a tutorial and you understand how to use it. Let me know if they'd be interested in that. Cheers.